eat it. It looks so yummy. Oh, I love it.
Hey, it's just an advertisement. Don't get attracted to these. Eating more chocolate is not good for health.
But these pictures are really tempting me. I like it.
Good day, children. I welcome you all for this new class. I can see some of the students in live teaching. Really, we teachers are so excited to see you all. But some of them are not joining. Children, make use of this class and enjoy learning. Today, we are going to learn two communicative skills. One is advertisement, another one is reading comprehension. These two topics already you have learnt in 9th standard, and also you know the format, but sometimes we miss marks. You're going to write the board exam, so we don't want anyone to miss marks. First, we learn about advertisement. What do you mean by advertisement, children? Advertisement is a marketing tactic and also the best way to communicate to the customers. An advertisement is an audio or visual form of marketing communication to promote or sell a product, service, or idea. Advertisement is a business of making money by introducing and encouraging people to buy new products. Many times we see many advertisements, isn't it? An advertisement is a kind of public notice asking for or offering services or buying and selling properties, goods, or providing informations about missing persons, job opportunities, situation vacants, matrimonials, educational institutions, tours and travels, packers and movers, placements, and many more. Where all we can see the advertisements, children? Any guess? Everywhere we can see the advertisements, isn't it? In newspapers, magazines, radio FMs, televisions, movies, banners on the road, on the walls, on the sides of the roads, digital devices, placards, bit notices, even in the books. Everywhere we can see the advertisements. An advertisement is a primary objective to inform, to persuade, and also it reminds us. Advertising is good because it tells us about new products. Some of the ads really we like, isn't it? Some are very interesting and some are nice to watch. But sometimes when we are watching a program or a match, it just irritates us and it's a big headache, isn't it? Okay, why do we learn to write advertisement in English? In future, some of you will become a businessman or going to sell some product or going to inform people about something. We should know the format of writing an advertisement. Now, so far you have seen many advertisements, isn't it? Now, what all you have seen in this picture? You can see some images, some bold letters, some phone numbers, some offers, an address, some phrases, and different fonts of writings, isn't it? Why we have to include all these, children? To attract the people. Come, let's learn how to write an advertisement, an attractive advertisement. Okay, here there are 8 points. There are 8 points to remember. First point is use borders and lines to organize. The next one is write the name of the product about our shop name. You have to write. Okay. The next one is address with contact information and website. Next one is you have to add images of the product. And next one, good discounts and offers to attract the people. And next one, brief and catchy descriptions and benefits about the product. And next one is target the audience. And the last point, readable text and attractive background so that everybody can read the advertisement. So keep these 8 points in your mind, children, before you start writing an advertisement. Okay. Now this question carries 5 marks in your question paper. Now let's see the allotment of marks. First one, outline and border carries 1 mark. And the title carries 1 mark. Writing address and email carries 1 mark. And the caption carries 1 mark. And next one, pictures and images carries 5 mark. Okay, if you are using all these, surely you will get 5 marks in your question paper, answer paper. Yes, now we are going to start writing. Yes, your question will be like this. Prepare an attractive advertisement using the hints given below. Look at the hints, children. Mouth-watering delicious food, hygienic preparation, tasty, yummy, makes you long for more and more. Sometimes your paper, question paper, address will be given or the title will be given. So anyway, any kind you will get the question. Okay, now we are going to write the advertisement. Can you remember the 8 points? What is the first one? Always start doing the advertisement on a fresh new page. Okay? And you are not supposed to use any color pens or pencils. You have to use only your black or blue pen or your pencil you can use. So, use your scale or pencil. Draw a border in a rectangular shape. It should be neat. Okay. What is the second point? Divide the box into 4. Top one is for title and down one is for address. So, divide the box into 4 segments. Yes? We finished? Shall we go to the next point? Yes. Okay. Now, the next one. What we have to do? We finished drawing the border. We divided the box. And next we are going to write the title. Write the name of the product or a shop name with a bold letter on top of the box. Sometimes it will be given in your question paper or else you have to give the title. Make it very short and write it neatly on the top box. If you are good in stylish writing, you can show your creativity. But it should be neat and clear. Easy to understand. Okay. What is the next one? Now next, come to the down box. What we have to write in the down box? What, children? Yes, your contact address, your phone number. Nowadays, it's very important to add your email address also, or if you have a website page, that also you can add it. Now we finish writing the title, then we finish writing the address. Next, what we have to do? We have to add the images. So I have taken food. So I have given Burger King the title. So it should be relevant to my title. So I have given images of burger and some offers also I am going to give. So there are French fries and a drink. All these I am going to give as an offer. So you have to draw neatly. What is the next point? We have to give some discounts. Then only people will buy, isn't it? Otherwise, they won't come. So, I have to give some discount or offers. So, for example, see here, buy one, get one. And not only that, I have to add some phrases also. Hygienic preparation. Can you see my question? What I have given? Hygienic preparation, mouth watering, all those things I can add in my writings. And not only that, to make it more attractive, I have used the blast figures and write the offers into it to make it more attractive. Next is I can use catchy description or phrases. Now I have taken burger, so I can write yummy, tasty, already which is there in my question, isn't it? So remember all these points, children. Now my advertisement is ready. Now target the audience. Now this burger usually who will eat? The youngsters, isn't it? So target the audience. Okay, now my advertisement is ready. Easily I can score 5 marks. No need to memorize, no spelling, no grammar, only your creativity and the format. The next we are going to learn reading comprehension. Already we know how to write the reading comprehension. Again, we are going to revise this. Okay. First one is, there are 2 comprehensions in your question paper. One is from supplementary, another one is from your own general one. Okay. Now, the supplementary carries 5 marks and the general one carries 8 marks. So, children, don't lose this. Okay. Now, for that also, there are some points. What is the first one? Read the passage very carefully and try to grasp its main theme. The second one, read the given questions. After reading each question, go back to the passage which contains the answer to the question. Find out the answer from the passage and write it in your own words. Also, pay attention to the phrases and connotations. Do not use the language of the passage. Answers have to be written in your own language, and all the answers should be brief and concise. Should not be a very long sentences. Now, look at the passage. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions that follows. This is your general essay, passage about the earthquake. Now we'll go to the questions. When did the earthquake occur? The earthquake was occurred 4 years before in the month of October. See, I have taken half of the answer from the question and the answer from the passage. So, I have joined it together and I have written it in my own words. Okay. The earthquake was occurred 4 years before in the month of October. The second question. What is common in these parts? Tremors are common in these parts. Only the main key point I have taken it from the passage. What is the truth about Himalayas? Himalayas may look solid and eternal, but deep down they are unstable. The fourth one, where did they feel the effect? They felt the effect in Delhi and Lucknow. How was the earthquake? The earthquake was a terrible one. See, always your answer should be in past tense. See, half answer from the question. The remaining key points I have taken it from the passage and I have written it in my own words. Okay, children. Now you have learnt how to write an advertisement and reading comprehension. Now here is a homework. Prepare an attractive advertisement using the hints given below. This is about mobile. Mobile Galaxy. The name is given. Smart phone. Accessories. SIM cards. Recharge. Free power banks or mobile purchase. Number 1, Tollgate, Trichy. Address is given and name of the shop is given. See what are the offers and the phrases which is given there. You have to add it in your question paper, the answer paper. Next one is comprehension. Now refer reader page 8. There is a comprehension about bungee jumping. So go through it and write the answers. Okay. Now you have bought your classwork and your reader, isn't it? On Friday we have given for 9th standard and 10th standard. You have bought it. So take 192 pages ruled notebook for English and divide your notebook into 2 halves. The first half is for your grammar and the second half is for your communicative skill. So write these 2 in your classwork. Thank you, children.